Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall updates of installed Android apps. So let's get started. If you have trouble, if you have a crash on your phone, this is the Android operating system. When there is a updated apps that make your phone crash, you can uninstall. You can back into factory setting. For example, let's tap on YouTube. You can hold the icon and tap app info, and you can tap on three dots or two dots at the top of your screen. This one, you can tap on this uninstall updates. So replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. This affect all user of this device, including those with work profile. So you need to back up your bookmark, maybe your save, or the Chrome. Usually Chrome often crash if you update. So you can tap or hold the icon of your Chrome, and at the top of your screen you can tap and uninstall updates. Here, of course, this is the notification. So the point is you have to save your work, save your bookmarks or your page before get back into the default version of this Chrome. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also this button below. See you in the next video.